Welcome to our learning. This time we have another topic that is how to create yung load schedule na medyo mabilisan na single phase, 230 volts, 2 pole, 2 wire, saka ground. Okay, so we have sample format here, assuming that we have 6 circuits with 6 different loads. We have lighting, outlet, ECU loads, yung aircon, saka yung water pump. So we have load BE, voltage, current, ampere rating, ampere trip, kaik, saka yung number of poles, wire code, at saka si raceway. So yung ginawa natin dito is meron tayong wire code which is galing from PEC. Ito yung ginawang pattern. Actually, nakabase na to sa PEC. So, if meron akong 3.5, so meron na kaagad siyang detail ng ground saka yung raceway. If PVC man yan, metal conduit. And then, if 5.5, meron na kaagad yung details ng wire, yung ground, saka yung raceway together with itong 8.0. So after once ma-establish mo to, pwede mo ma-shortcut itong sa wire code natin. Actually, hindi ko lang to gawa-gawa. It is based from the PEC, yung parang summation na lang. Okay, so ito yung gamitin nating reference. But again, assuming na meron tayong lighting na 600 BE, so sa outlet natin 1200. Okay, circuits number 3, 11. Yung ECU load natin is 17. Saka yung water pump which is 18. So yung load natin is assumption lang to. So you get the total of 8,100. So yung system voltage natin is 230. So i-input lang natin to. Okay, and then drag. Then to get for the value of current, so i-divide mo lang tong load BE with this voltage 230. After that, i-drag mo lang yan. So meron siyang total. If you observe, once after mo ma-drag itong load at saka yung current, automatic siya rito. So 35.22 plus 25% of yung largest motor, which is yung pump natin ito with 7.83. Okay, after that automatic na siya nagko-compute, which is 37.07 amperes. Okay, so itong reference natin para sa ating main, but for the meantime, let's do sa ating branch circuits. Okay, so sa lighting, commonly 15 amperes, but sa design ko, ginagamit ko is 20 ampere. And then 50 ampere frame. Yung kaik, yung minimum is merong 6, but sa design natin gawin natin 10. Number of poles, that is 2 poles. And then sa wire code, refer sa PEC table 3.10.2.6. so yung ating ampacity is 2.61. so if we use itong 2.0, which is 20 amperes, actually malaki pa yung gap, but commonly sa practice ko, yung minimum ko is 3.5 square mm, which is ampacity is 25 amperes. So kung na-observation lang sa site, mas makapal na konti si 3.5 kaysa sa 2.0. So in terms sa kanyang longevity, so matagal masira itong si 3.5, yung kanyang insulations. So prefer ko si 3.5. Okay, so after that, if meron ka na yan 3.5, so ito nang gamitin mo. Meron kang tag, na X 3.5. Means to say that yung wire mo daw is 3.5, yung ground 3.5, saka yung raceway mamili ka na lang. It's either PVC ka or REC. Okay, so ito na yon sa ating circuit number 1. We have wire code na 3.5. Okay, so pwede mo na siyang ikopya doon sa ating circuit number 2 at 3, which is the outlet. Okay, so mabilis lang, ginopya mo lang. After that, let's go to itong ECU load. So if you look on the current niya, 7.39 lang. But again, pasok pa rin siya if we use 3.5 square mm. But on my observation lang, when we talk about air conditioning unit, is meron siyang compressor. So malakas yung kanyang starting current. So kaya yung wire na ginagamit ko is itong 5.5, which is meron siyang capacity na 35 amperes at 75 degrees Celsius. And then yung circuit breaker niya, so pag 5.5 ang ginagamit ko is 30 amperes. So yung wire code is itong X 5.5. Okay, so let's input this sa ating load schedule. Okay, so after mo ma-input yung values natin, so the same lang sila. The same lang sa aircon load na to. 1.7 saka 1.8 yung water pump. Actually, your water pump is motors din ito, motors. Yung sa aircon lang is compressor type. Ito motor loads, malakas yung kanilang starting current. That is why prefer ko itong si 30 amperes. Okay, so mabilis lang yung sa ating selection ng circuit breaker at saka sa wire with this wire code. Okay, after that, let's move sa ating main circuit breaker. And then from the table sa PEC 2.40.1.6, fuses and fixed strip circuit breakers. So from here naka-assign na yung mga standard ampere ratings. So yung current natin is 37.07. So it falls from here 35, 40, 45 or 50. So sa ating design, actually you can use it's either 45 or 50 or 40. But for me, I use the maximum, which is 50 ampere trip. So yun yung gamitin nating value. Then from here, so we have already ito, value 50 ampere trip, ampere frame 50. So yung kaik 18, number of volts which is 2. So sir, bagay yung wire mo is 8.0 x 8.0. So look on the PEC table 3.10.2.6 B16. So 37 yung capacity natin. So if we look on the 5.5 at 75 degrees Celsius, that is 35. Pag 8.0 ka, 50. So mas okay tayo rito sa 8.0. So yung wire code natin is ito, X 8.0, means to say meron kang yung line 1 line 2 mo 8.0, yung ground 5.5. So raceway is REC, so you can use 25 mm diameter. Okay, so that's it. Ganun lang kabilis if meron kang guide nitong wire code natin. Okay, from that, actually we're done already sa ating load schedule. So ganun lang if meron kang technique. Actually itong wire code ko na ginawa, marami to until dun sa maximum na 250 square mm, but for the meantime lang to, parang selected lang. Actually that is lang to, parang private documents to, but for this time I give you free, but limited lang sa 8.0. So baka someday I can have a content na merong what if pataas yung rating ng wire is 100 or 60. Okay, so I hope meron kayong learn sa ating konting discussion. So tik-tik lang, familiarize lang dun sa ating load schedule together with this wire code. So please subscribe para updated ka sa mga next videos na i-upload ko. Thank you.